Welcome to another section of HealthServe video demonstration. And in today's edition, we'll be showing you how you can improve patient care using HealthServe communication system. So the concept of this tool is to ensure that the healthcare professionals are in permanent touch with their patient and they can share information with them as part of follow-up of the patient by communicating with them in real time using HealthServe inbuilt communication tool. And what this means is that if you dispense a drug to a patient as a pharmacist, you can actually talk to that patient. You can share information with the patient by sending a written message, audio message, or picture, whatever is needed for you to communicate your message or information to the patient. And so, but before you can do that effectively, there is need for you to remember what you have done for the patient. And for that purpose, that is why we have this my documentation section. And on this section, every single documentation you have done for the patient, be it indication of the drug dispense, dosage and posology, pharmaceutical care, drug dispensing, prescription assessment, drug therapy management, all that will be in the patient folder. And you can actually get abreast of what is in that folder by clicking on the patient file. And that is what I have done, and this is a patient folder I'm looking at. And when I'm done reviewing the patient folder, I can now get to remember what I did for the patient the last time. Then I'm now in a better position to do patient follow-up for that individual. And so when I have done that, review the patient past medical and medication history, I can now click on the same patient image here. This is the communication section to chat with the patient. And for me to do that, I click on Start Chat on the patient's page, and the system will pop up the interface for me to chat with the patient in question. And here is the name of the patient I'm about to start chatting with. And every other patient I have on the system, or even the institution, they are all here. And so I can always interchange the person I'm chatting with by clicking on each of these item or chats on the chat history. So now I'm about to start chatting with this particular patient who have opened his chat interface on the chat box. So I can now start chatting by typing in the typing area, and I will just click my enter button or this symbol to send the message to the patient, which I have done now. And then you can use this button to attach file, different type of file, PDF, JPEG, just name it. You can attach it using this button. Then you can use this one to capture image in real time and send to the patient. That is what this does. And the last one here is for audio note. You can use this to record audio message if you don't want to type and send it to the recipient, and the person will get back to you either via written message or audio note as well. So you can see that with this tool, there will be greater opportunity for healthcare professionals to engage with their patient in real time, but more so, the healthcare professional themselves can share relevant information as part of collaborative patient management. Likewise, institutions such as community pharmacy and hospitals are in better position to conduct clinical governance, whereby they can review clinical documentation by their staff and draw their attention to areas where they need improvement. By so doing, there will be greater improvement in patient management, and of course, which will expect better quality of care when all this is implemented. There is more to what you can get from HealthServe system, but for now, this is what we have to show you in this particular episode. Thanks for watching, And we look forward to seeing more of you start using HealthServe in your various institutions, and we can assure you that you will not regret doing so.